If getting lean feels impossible, you're probably making it harder than it needs to be. You don't need to starve. You don't need to run daily. You just need to fix the right things in the right order. 1. Small deficit, not a huge one. 300 calories below maintenance, that's it. Not a 1,000 calorie deficit, not starvation. Small and consistent. Small deficit means you're not miserable, you're not binging on weekends, you're not quitting after 10 days. The fat comes off slower, but it stays off. That's the actual goal. 2. High protein every single meal. Protein keeps you full. Protein takes more energy to digest, so you burn slightly more just by eating it. Every meal has a protein source as the main portion. Chicken, eggs, minced beef, Greek yogurt. 1 dietary rule. 3 fat loss benefits. 3. Cut liquid calories first. Juice, soda, sugary coffee, alcohol on the weekends. These don't register as food, but they add 300 to 500 calories daily without you noticing. You eat the same and wonder why nothing changes. Switch to water and black coffee. That single swap creates a real deficit without touching a single meal. Lazy logic, most guys are drinking their way out of a deficit every single day. 4. Walk 10,000 steps daily. I'm telling you this right now. Not running, walking. Walking burns fat without impacting recovery. It becomes your metabolism active on rest days. It requires zero effort, zero motivation to start. Split it into 2 walks, morning and evening. Slow pace, just move every day. 5. Track your food for 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks, not forever. Most guys think they're eating less than they are. 2 weeks of tracking shows you exactly where the calories are hiding. After 2 weeks, you don't need to track obsessively. You'll just know. Small deficit, high protein, cut liquid calories, walk daily, track for 2 weeks. 5 things, all simple, all starting today. Getting lean doesn't require suffering, it requires the right system applied consistently. This is the lazy way. And if this works faster than everything you've tried before, join my coaching program in the bio and subscribe. Let's hit 100K.